Welcome to the ARDA.com's tutorial on locating and navigating a data file. With so many data sets and surveys, the ARDA's archive can seem overwhelming at first. In this tutorial, we will first examine several ways you can find a dataset you're looking for. Next, we will find summary information on that file. Third, we will examine the custom table function for a data file. And last, we will go over downloading that specific dataset. To begin, we click on the Data Archive tab on the home page. The default method for finding a data file is by category. These categories include international surveys, U.S. church membership surveys, U.S. surveys, and other categories. If you have a specific data file in mind, you might want to click on the Browse Alphabetically tab. Here, all the data files are categorized by the first letter of the data file. Instead of browsing the whole list, click on the letter corresponding to the first letter of the data file. Here, you can view the last 10 datasets that were added to the ARDA website. For this tutorial, we're going to use the first wave of the Baylor Religion Survey. We are then taken to a summary page. The beginning of each summary is an introductory paragraph that gives basic information about the survey. We are also shown the number of cases, the number of variables, and whether the file comes with a weight variable. Other information includes when the data was collected, who funded that specific survey, along with collection and sampling procedures. Next, we can click on the Codebook tab. Here, we are shown the survey's questions and the response frequencies. If you are interested in exploring all the functions of the Codebook further, please view our tutorial on analyzing items in a data file. If we click on the tab entitled Custom Table all the way to the right, we are given the option to create a table showing the responses of one item related to the responses of another item. In this example, our row variable is going to be whether the respondent identifies as being theologically conservative, and our column variable is going to be how often the respondent engages in table prayers or grace. The default for custom tables is column percentaging, meaning the columns add up to 100%, not the rows. For this example, it's kind of confusing, so under Options, we're going to click Percentage by Row. Since the rows add up to 100%, the top row shows the response frequencies among those who identify as theologically conservative, while the bottom row shows the response frequencies among those who do not identify as theologically conservative. In this example, we see that 27.2% of the theologically conservative say prayers at all meals, compared to only 9.8% of those who do not identify as theologically conservative. Finally, we click the Download tab when we are ready to download our dataset. Please read the following statements before downloading the data file. Remember, when using data from the ARDA, please cite the ARDA in your publications and/or presentations. Now we have many options to download the data file. If you have the statistical software package SPSS or Stata, you can download files that are compatible with those packages. We can also download the codebook either with the frequencies or without the frequencies. Other download options include microcase files and ASCII files. If you're interested in looking at the data in a spreadsheet form using Microsoft Excel, you can potentially use the ASCII file. You should now be fully capable of locating and navigating a data file. Thank you for watching the ARDA.com's tutorial.